The Delhi High Court has sought a response from the Delhi police on activist Umar Khalid's fresh bail plea in the 2020 Delhi riots conspiracy case registered under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. A bench of Justices Pratibha M. Singh and Vikas Mahajan issued notice to the police and granted 2 weeks to file its reply. The matter has been listed for hearing on August 27th along with the bail plea of co-accused Sharjeel Imam. Khalid's lawyer told the court that this is his third bail application since his arrest and also sought interim relief. Khalid was arrested in September 2020 and has been accused of being one of the alleged masterminds behind the February 2020 Delhi riots, which left 53 people dead and over 700 injured during protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act and the NRC. His latest bail plea was rejected by the trial court on July 4th, citing a Supreme Court order dated January 5th, 2025. Appearing for the Delhi Police, Additional Solicitor General S.P. Raju informed the High Court that Sharjeel Imam's bail plea had also been rejected under the same order, making it appropriate for both cases to be heard together. Earlier, the Supreme Court had upheld the denial of bail to Khalid while observing that a prima facie case existed against him and Sharjeel Imam under the UAPA, although some other co-accused were granted relief.